Hey, let's see how you can cancel a stuck upload on Instagram. So first you have to open up your Instagram. Now we are trying to upload something. And once the upload starts, you will see that it's uploading or posting. And sometimes it just gets stuck. Now the first thing you have to do is turn off your internet connection. It can be Wi-Fi or cellular data. So whichever you are using, just turn it off. After that, you will see the upload goes into a stuck mode, and now don't do anything. Just wait patiently. After a few moments, you will see a cross icon or a retry option appear. So in that case, since you don't want to reload or repost it, just tap on the cross icon. This is actually the remove button. So now you just go for remove and see the upload is removed completely. So there have a suggestion, that is the patience. Sometimes it takes a little longer for the remove option to appear, so just wait until you see it, and that's it. This is how you can cancel a stuck upload post on your Instagram in the right way possible. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.